The twin release kit is Petzl's ready-to-use 4-to-1 hauling and lowering system for both work and rescue in confined space environments. The kit comes pre-assembled and can be installed on a tripod, davit arm, or any other high anchor point in a matter of seconds. A key benefit of the system is the easy transition between hauling and lowering. The kit is also certified to ANSI and NFPA standards. In this video, we'll cover the contents of the kit, its working principle, and how to use it. The twin release kit includes the twin release pulley, the spin L2 pulley, 2 BMD carabiners with Captive positioning bars, 200 feet of access 11mm rope, and the 30-liter bucket rope bag, and also 10 feet of airline cord for remote operation. Each of these products are sold individually, but the twin release kit comes pre-assembled with the rope sewn directly onto the becket of the twin release. This also makes maintenance and repair easy. For example, if the rope is worn out, you can replace it to extend the system's life. The twin release kit is rigged as a 4-to-1 pulley system and has a working load limit of 280 kilograms or about 620 pounds. With its 200 feet of rope included, the kit has a maximum reach of 50 feet. One of the cool features of the twin release pulley at the top of the system is the toothless cam for progress capture. This cam design preserves the rope and also allows the load to be easily lowered without first hauling it up a short distance to disengage the cam. The twin release pulley incorporates a one-way faceted shib. For hauling, this offers excellent efficiency. For lowering, it adds friction zones with the rope for increased descent control. The external brake can be used for additional control when lowering heavy loads. Remove the system from the bucket and connect the twin release side of the system to your overhead anchor point. To extend the length of the system, you can deactivate the cam. Once the system is extended, immediately reactivate the cam. With a load on the system, never deactivate the cam. To lower, always start with the rope over the external brake. Use your right hand to provide tension on the free end of the rope, while your left hand operates the handle. Note that the handle and cam of the twin release don't provide descent control. It's simply an on-off function. The descent is controlled by the amount of resistance applied to the free end of the rope. So open the handle fully. Now, use your left hand to maintain the handle position and provide additional control on the rope. To stop, simply release the handle and the cam returns to the blocked position. If there's too much friction during the descent, you can remove the rope from the external brake. For high overhead anchors, you can control the twin release remotely by tying the included airline cord into the small hole in the handle. It's important that the hand controlling the cord is also holding the free end of the rope. This ensures that in the event your hands move towards the twin release, tension on the cord is released and the cam returns to its blocked position. Once you're ready to haul, no changeover is required. You simply pull on the free end of the rope. For maximum efficiency, be sure to pull in line with the system. See the description below, as well as petzl.com for more information about certifications, technical notices, custom kits, and how to purchase the kit.